In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a website on Wix without AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a new Wix project without using any automated builder, choose the right category for your site, and open the full template library so you can design everything yourself. First, from your Wix dashboard, click Create New Site. This button is typically easy to spot near the top of the page. Clicking it tells Wix you're starting a fresh project, and it brings you into the setup flow. If you already have other projects, don't worry, this won't affect them. You're simply creating a new workspace for your next website. Next, click Setup Without AI. Wix will often offer an AI-assisted path, but since we want full creative control, we're intentionally bypassing that option. Choosing Setup Without AI means you'll craft your site using the template-based editor, where every image, section, and layout choice is up to you. This approach is great if you have a specific vision or you want to learn the fundamentals of how your site fits together. Now, choose your site category. Wix uses this choice to tailor what you see next, especially the templates and features that match your needs. For example, you might choose business, blog, portfolio, store, restaurant, or community. Pick the category that best matches the main purpose of your site today. Don't stress. This selection helps filter options, but it doesn't permanently limit you. You can still add features later and customize your pages to reflect your brand or goals. If you're unsure, choose the closest fit so your template recommendations start in the right direction. Finally, select Choose a Template. This opens the full template gallery with designs curated for your chosen category. Take a moment to explore. You can preview templates to see how pages connect, scroll through layout sections, and check mobile views. Look for a design with a structure that matches your content, a strong homepage hero space if you need a bold introduction, clear navigation for multiple services, or portfolio grids if visuals are central to your work. Remember, you're selecting a starting point that you'll customize later, so focus on layout and flow rather than exact images or placeholder text. That's it. You've created a new site, opted out of AI, picked your category, and opened the template library. In the next stage, you'll choose the specific template you like and move into the Wix editor to make it your own. Keep it simple at first and build up from a clean, intentional foundation.